What's the meaning of bells and whistles? Bells and whistles. Bells and whistles.
Bells and whistles. Bells and whistles. The phrase bells and whistles is commonly used to describe additional features or embellishments that are added to a product or service in order to make it more attractive or impressive, but may not necessarily be essential to its basic function. The term originated from the practice of adding actual bells and whistles to objects like bikes or cars, which were meant to draw attention and make them stand out. In modern usage, the phrase can refer to any sort of non-essential feature or decorative detail that is added for aesthetic or marketing purposes. These bells and whistles may be fun or interesting, but they are generally not necessary for the core function of the product or service.